When you're working with slices on your report, we have a special control dedicated to giving you a good experience with dates. So whenever you add a slicer to your report, and then you put a date field into that slicer, we automatically give you this nice date slicer that has a slider for you to be able to drag to any specific time period that you want. Or you could go in and you can actually use the calendar to pick it as well. So for example, I just want to see the previous year, 2015. So I'm going to use the calendar to pick specifically starting at January 1st, 2015. And we have a couple of options here as well. You can choose, by default, it shows you between two given dates, and you get to pick those dates. But you could also choose to show just dates, just time before a specific date, or just time after a specific date as well. So since I really want to just see anything after January 1st, I'll pick after. And now I see that I have the option just to specify that first date. And then my data just nicely filters across the report, and as I want to change it, I can just drag and drop the slider.